What's good, honey bunches? So look, y'all, this hairstyle is giving me life. It's definitely giving me whatever it is you like vibes. You feel me? Come on, coming to America. Yes. But anyways, if you would like to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Because ladies, I got you the fine and frugal way. Good job. So let's jump right into this install. Right now I'm showing you my braids down in the back. I have 3 medium-sized cornrows in the back, and then I have the front of my hair, which will be left out for my half up, half down. You're going to need some glue, Weave Wonder Wrap glue protectant, hairspray of your choice, a lightweight oil of your choice, heat protectant, edge control, and this is hair coloring dye spray. This is the beautiful hair that I'm going to be using, y'all. This is a model Gardenia Mastermix in the Italian curl. As you can see, I paid $9.99 for these bundles. This brand is my favorite beauty supply store bundles to get thus far. That is super cheap. I got 3 bundles in 24 inches, and I did end up using all 3 bundles for this install, and I got it in a 1. I should have got a 1B, but I wanted jet black hair, but that's why I got that black hairspray just in case. So we're going to jump right into it. You see me spraying my braids down with that got to be hairspray. That is optional. And then now I'm going to go in and apply my stocking cap to my head, and we're going to apply this stocking cap like we're doing a ball cap method. So now that I have my stocking cap on, I'm about to go ahead and apply my Weave Wonder Wrap. You guys, please use this when you are doing quick weaves, because if not, you will probably experience breakage, and you will probably experience a difficult time removing your install because you didn't use anything. Your foundation is key, okay? This will make your install slide right out your head. All you need is warm water, a little bit of shampoo. You don't even need shampoo. All you need is water, warm water, and then it will loosen up and your install will just slide out. No glue or anything on your head. I'm about to apply this onto all of this on the back of my hair. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna begin laying down our extensions. Babe, so I have applied that and let it dry, as you can see, and it is now hardened. So I'm gonna go in and now cut off the excess cap, and your cap should not move anywhere when you go in to cut it out if it's completely dry. These are the bundles, y'all. I absolutely love this curl pattern so freaking much. The hair moves and feels just like it's virgin hair. So we're going to start off by laying our tracks. First, we're going to measure out our track on our head, cut it, apply our glue. A nice thin layer, don't apply too much. Don't need that much. And then we're going to lay it down from one side of the ear to the other side of our ear. So again, we're going to measure it out, cut it, apply our glue, and now that we have that first track laid, we're going to follow that first track to help us guide us around our head and lay it from one side of the ear to the next. I have completed laying down the first bundle, and I am laying my tracks going in a U shape, as you can see here, or an upside down C shape. And now I'm going to go in and we're going in with our second bundle. And I'm doing that same pattern. Measure your track out to your head, cut it, apply your glue, and lay it. And you just pretty much want to follow the shape of your head, guys, as you're laying the tracks down. And as far as parting space, you don't want to put them too close together, and you don't want to put them too far apart. If you have a bigger head than mine, do not lay them too far apart, or you will run out of hair and might need more hair. Now I'm going in to take care of my leave out. Always use a heat protectant before you put heat on your hair. Please, ladies. Heat protectant, protect your hair. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of Cheese Silk Infusion oil, this is a very lightweight oil, so I can silk the top of my hair out. I am 100% natural. I did blow dry my hair on cool setting, not that long. I didn't blow dry it out completely. As you can see, it still got some texture. But I'm going in with my Babyless Pro flat iron and a fine tooth comb to do the chase method to silk my hair out. I have completed silkening my hair out. As you can see, it's nice and flat and sleek. And I'm going to go in with some edge control to lay down the top. Now, I'm using edge control because I do not plan to keep this install in that long. And I didn't want anything super strong on my hair. I just didn't. I still want it to be soft but still sleek. So that's why I'm using this edge control. And what I'm doing is I'm pretty much doing my hair in sections. So one part of my hair, I'm applying the edge control, and then I'm smoothing it in with the brush and alternating between the brush and the comb, and my hands smooth it in. Then I go to the next section and get some more edge control and smooth it in. So work in sections to ensure that you have a very sleek and smooth and flat leave out at this portion of the install. And just take your time, alternate between a comb and a brush. Do not apply too much of the edge control because it can turn right. You know how much you need on your head, and smooth it out and get it nice and smooth and sleek with the comb and the brush. So you'll see me going back and forth between the two. Other options you can use to make this last longer at the front is using hairspray or beeswax and things like that. But like I said, edge control works fine for my hair type, and I'm not keeping this in for no longer than a week. So I didn't need no super strong hold like beeswax or using hairspray. Now for this top part, we put it in a ponytail, and I'm going to braid that ponytail down. If your hair is longer than mine or shorter than mine, you won't have to worry about doing this step right here. But if your hair is about as long as mine or even longer, you want to fold that braid down, put a hair tie on there, and then you want to take that braid that's hanging out and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. Okay, and then we're going to take some hairspray to spray on there to make sure that it's tucked and staying in place. If your hair is shorter, again, you don't have to worry about doing this part, but you still want to put another hair tie at the base of your braid because we need that foundation for our ponytail. Now we're going to get a wrapping strip, you guys, and we're going to wrap this around that ponytail because this is going to protect our hair from the glue that we're going to apply. And this is also going to act as our base for our ponytail. A lot of people have their ponytails and they don't be right. Like, they don't be sitting right. They be kind of leaning, sitting sideways like Paul Wall. So if you have a nice foundation for your extensions to wrap around, your ponytail will look amazing and sit up high, which you will see. So right now, this is the last bundle, and you see me going in and I'm adding on some glue to that ponytail. And then I'm going to take my extensions and I folded it in half. The last bundle I folded it in half, and then you're going to see me wrap it around this ponytail, and you just want to keep wrapping it around till you get to the base of your ponytail. Now that we've gotten that hair wrapped around, we're going to go in and take some hair out from the back of the ponytail. And this is going to help us disguise the band and make it look more natural and polished. And then we're going to use that hair, going to straighten it, detangle it, straighten it, and then wrap it around the base of the ponytail. Now that I got my ponytail to my liking, I'm going to go in to straighten it out, detangle it, fluff it, get it to how I want it to be. And then I also went in and added in some mousse throughout the hair. And when I added that Nairobi mousse, y'all, it made the curls pop. Like, it gave me that wet look, and it made the curls look so pretty. I was shook. The hair acted like it was virgin hair when I put that mousse on there. Like, I was shook. For real, for real. So definitely mousse your hair down, y'all. And this is the final results, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It came out so cute. I love how my ponytail at the top came out too. I think I got my formula down pat for that. But anyways, I hope this was helpful and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to say beautiful, frugal, and blessed, baby. All 2021. See y'all in the next one. Bye.